Hello everyone, welcome back. And you are watching Technical World. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to fix iPhone speaker grayed out. So, without wasting any time, let's get started. Solution number 1. Force restart your iPhone. To force restart iPhone, press home button and the power button at the same time until Apple logo appears. And also depend on your iPhone model to force restart. Solution number 2. Check the software update. To check that, first launch settings, then connect to Wi-Fi and make sure that you have a stable and strong Wi-Fi connection. Then tap Settings and tap General and tap Software Update and update your iPhone if update is available. Solution number 3. Reset all settings. To reset all settings, first we have to launch settings, then tap General, scroll down and tap Reset. Now tap Reset all settings. Put your iPhone passcode and tap again Reset all settings to confirm your action. That's it. Friends, hopefully you found this video helpful. Then please like and share. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.